Good morning, sweets. So, nobody else not say morning.
I was about to say good morning.
Hey guys,
It's popping.
so everybody's stoked, but not really because we're exhausted.
And we're hungry.
Dead ass.
Hungry.
But
We're tired. Tired.
there's so many
But I'm
things that we are. So we're going to Busch Gardens today. It's a 4-hour drive, which means I'm
And
gonna
we're
be
late.
sleeping for 4 hours.
We're supposed to leave at 7.
What time is it now?
8:33.
Do you notice a trend here, guys? Always and forever.
This is the reason
common
why.
reason why.
I am the trend. Hello. Alright, so we're gonna go to Busch Gardens. So we're gonna pick up Shugzini and then we head out and hopefully get food somewhere in the middle of that. Alright, so let's go to Busch Gardens. Alright, so we picked up Shugzini and we're here at Einstein Bros Bagels to get some quick breakfast. Yeah, feels
You
me.
did not just fall.
Did she?
No, I didn't.
So this is where we're going.
Christina said.
So we ordered, and I got, if this lighting would allow, salmon, cream cheese, capers, tomatoes, and onions. What you get, Vijay?
I don't know. I told him just get me something with egg. So
Let me see.
This one.
It have spinach.
Mushrooms, Swiss cheese. I got the
His?
same thing.
Oh, let me show me. That looks good. What'd you get?
Asiago, bagel.
What'd you get?
Bread.
Oh, you didn't get anything on it?
Dog, I'm confused.
Black capers.
Cream cheese? Yeah, man.
This is delicious.
In 1.9 miles,
Alright,
turn
so
left, State Route 84
if anything happens throughout the journey, it's 4-hour long ass journey. I'll vlog, but otherwise I'll see you at Busch Gardens. Hey! So after a 4-hour drive that I stayed awake for, that I'm really proud of myself about. We got to the hotel, so we're just going to check in and then head to Busch. So yeah, we're not staying nowhere fancy because we're literally just going to sleep here. So this is the place. What's the place? See the sign? So we made it to the room and luckily the elevator wasn't working. And even luckier, we were on the 5th floor. It's the warm-up!
bitch! No, I'm totally not excited to go.
Like, we're on the 5th floor, the elevator isn't working, and I needed to pee from like 3 hours ago. So it was tragic. But we made it.
How much did you drink?
So this is the room. Give you guys a quick tour. Oh look, it's done. Yeah, so we get a little microwave. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Yeah, we have a microwave, a little fridge. What do you mean for hot up of food? I don't know. We'll get coffee.
You get enough for the little money here. I'm so serious.
We'll get a little closet. The closet have a blow dryer. Normal regular things. We'll get a chair. We got this mirror. Bam, bam. Oh yeah.
You can't go nowhere, you know.
I literally, you can't take me nowhere. Mm-mm.
Can't take this bitch nowhere.
Nowhere.
No, the picture.
Is everybody hyped? Shugsy, not hyped? You're not hyped? Get hyped! I'm sorry.
for 4 years.
Vijay, are you hyped? How many rides do you anticipate you'll go on?
Depends how many pre-teen rides.
Zero.
I feel like
I don't even know, like, you're such a trooper for even coming. Because, like, what the Vijay doesn't like roller coasters. Or, yeah, let's end it there. Vijay doesn't like roller coasters.
just believe in high.
So he's legit just gonna come and watch. He's gonna be the cameraman. But not really. But not really. So, we brought like a little...
Rides.
Which ride?
Which ride?
Which ride? Tell the people which ride.
Food line.
Name one.
No, Vijay is 4 but you really can't even.
Tower of Happiness I'm going on.
Alright, so we just got here and it is raining. So we're gonna try and get in before it starts pour again.
Kids are here though.
What you mean?
You sure that was supposed to use some?
Well, they have height restrictions, so.
Yeah, the actual one with the drum. It says they have to be 5'4". Okay, good.
How much?
Where we going? Where we
5'4",
going?
and I was wondering if you could have gone.
There's no say I can't go on that lane.
My girl just showed me ID. I think it's more.
Yeah, but my ID don't say I'm 5'4".
No, I mean your age. Age.
So your age allows you, your height, because 5'4" is all of 5 inches taller than I am.
Age, children don't go on it.
Oh, it's for children?
Not fully developed yet.
Oh yes, say that again.
Not fully developed. So.
I don't know. We're here! So we're going to the amusement park as well as Howl-O-Scream tonight, so this should be really fun.
No, I'm not coming.
You don't have a choice.
What's it say?
Should not come here tonight.
I'm not scared.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Shut on! So we're going to Shikra because it's the hardest one. So if
It's not the hardest one.
it's not? Okay, it's one of the hardest ones. Chugsy, you okay?
No! Yo, I thought I was somebody screaming, you know.
Probably. Is that a monkey? Look at the bird. Is that real?
Oh my shit.
Is it real?
No,
Is it real?
no. Right there. Right there. This is how this one.
So this is the ride that we're going on. Shikra. So look, they're going to drop.
But they're going to stop you. Then tell them how to race.
Whoa! Are you nervous?
I'm not going on the Falcon Fury after this. I can't do it.
Why?
I won't be able to. What's the fact?
Why? You can do this twice, you can do it.
What's that? You can't go on it?
She's not going to go on Falcon Fury. Like, we're so gassed up.
There's no one in the Let's see how the mood changes.
Right? Let's see how the mood changes after we go on the first ride.
There's nobody in there.
What?
Just far away.
So we finally reached the ride. And Vijay is going to cover us out. Look at that. That's what we're going to go on.
All the glow is shape.
I'm so nervous. Yo, I'm trembling. Let's go. Let's go. Vijay. Please. Please.
Not this one.
No, you have to come on this one. You have to come on this one. So we ended up going on Shrika twice because it was awesome, but it was short. I thought it would have been worse. It was bad, no lies, it was bad, but it was great. And then we boost up Vijay to go on it. Vijay, how was it?
It was alright.
It was alright. How was it?
It was lit. It was lit.
How was it? Hey, I'm skin out in Batty. Did you see that? Legit skin out in Batigiwi. He's like, my name's not Paul, bitch.
That's exactly what he said.
He's so cute.
I named him already, Paul. He ran from me.
Where'd you go, Paul?
Away from you. Stop calling Paul.
Where's Paul? Here he is. Hi, Paul.
Walking back this way or?
So we just came off Kumba and I am legit shook.
They're nice.
Yeah, you would know.
Where is Shugeth?
He didn't go. Where's Shugeth? No, like seriously, how was it?
I have a concussion.
Like my head hurts. Like my head hurts. Like I'm dizzy. It was nice, I guess. It was.
But not for doing more than one.
Nah,
it can't be more than one.
I would not do that more than once.
Like a football, got the football player injury, yeah. We that football more than once.
I couldn't go on that a second time.
Why do you tell people that?
I don't like it.
Like, post.
I don't like it enough. So the next ride up is Sand Serpent.
Wait, which one that?
I don't know which one, but I'm still shook from Kumba. Like, nah, like when Kumba was done, like I legit wanted to throw up. But through Maji, whenever I do it.
Yeah, I can have my phone on my.
Yeah, I don't see why not. This is Falcon's Fury. Look how high it is. Dog, that's the sky.
Yo, like it looks tall, but I feel like when you're in there, it's gonna look so much higher.
Of course it is. So this is the next ride. Phoenix. So this one shouldn't be that bad. It's just like a...
You're here though, code.
Barely. Damn.
You make it?
I did.
The boy in the blue? Hey! You okay? Hey! You could give me his phone. The boy in the blue, you could give me. How many
So you know, I hear people say they don't enjoy these rides, but they only do it because they feel like they conquer their fears after. But for me, when I do it and I get off, I feel like, oh, PJ, I'm disappointed. I thought you were smarter than that. Why did you do this? I don't feel like I conquered anything.
Like I'm so dizzy. But we're going to go on this. What is his name? Scorpion. Show the people.
It's a long ass motherfucking ride.
Yeah, like that's my issue right now. Like I'm so dizzy.
Yeah,
I feel like because it's so long, the possibility of me throwing up exists.
I would go on it, but the whole heap of this.
You would have nothing. If you would have then come.
My girl.
Come.
No, you never hear me. Like, my head has had enough. You recorded that, by the way. People spoke about that.
Vijay. Oh,
the reaction.
guys, so we just came off of what name?
I don't even know.
The one that swing. Like, should it legit?
Phoenix.
What, like, I don't even know what happened. Like, we weren't on the same ride. Like, we're there dying. Like, whoa, this is relaxing. And Chugs was like, Demonstrate. No. Demonstrate. No. Demonstrate.
No.
She's like legit going tantrums.
The thing is holding you, so you're literally suspending in the air. I can
show them how you kick your feet. Show them how you kick your feet. That's what it's for. She legit was throwing a tantrum. She was like, you could hear her feet going.
I said no.
Like we're laughing the whole time. Like we're legit cheesing the entire time.
I was laughing on screen.
You were not laughing.
I was. You can't tell.
You were only screaming.
I was.
No.
Only my body.
You're not even know so we flip. So you're not in your body.
No, I'm confident.
We flip 3 times. And she's like, alright, so we flip now. We're like, bitch, that happened.
Ready.
We're going to Scorpion now because you guys ain't coming.
Have fun.
Drop the bits.
See what we can get. Okay, I'm nervous.
We need to get 30. We need to get 30. Yay!
We're going to Five Guys to get food, and then we're going back to Busch Gardens for Howl-O-Scream. So let's see. I'm starving. So we just got back to the hotel. So we just got food from Five Guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna eat, and we're gonna do a pre-liquor game. So we got Hennessy and Red Bull, because name a better combination. That's right, you can't. We drank some alcohol. We drank some Hennessy. Now it's time to go to Howl-O-Scream. I'm an artist, you know. Yeah, so we just finished drinking rum and watching what we watch on Netflix, right name? Big Mouth.
Big Mouth.
Like literally with all my spare time now, all I'm gonna do is watch that show. It's amazing. It is weird. I love it. So we're going to we're going to Howl-O-Scream now. So I know over there is gonna be dark, so I'm gonna try and just get anything that I can. So let's go. So we just saw a lady and she said that the haunted houses were great, but she had to wait an hour to get in there. So I don't know. It ends at 1. What time is it now?
9:30.
That's not bad, that's not bad. I think we should do one of each thing.
3.5 hours.
I think we should do a haunted house, a dark ride.
That's 3 hours. 3 hours for 3 different rides.
Yeah. So we just make sure we get one of everything. Call it a day. That's hilarious. So this is the first stop for Howl-O-Scream, and it is a haunted house. It's a zombie containment unit with targets, and this is the line for that bad boy. You can't even see, but like the line extends all the way over there. So we're in the line. How long have we been in the line? Like 30 minutes? But we're almost there. So Shugsy got devil horns, but she said they're angel horns. They're white!
Oh, I should sit down. Or not.
We're almost at the front of the line! Damn on them niggas! Let's say it, Vijay was on the floor, see? No. Hi, you're cute.
You're gorgeous.
My throat hurts. No, like, why was that so scary?
Okay, what's next?
Oh my God! Alright, so we just came out of Demented Dimensions and I legit screamed the entire throughway, like it was terrible. So we're gonna try and make it to one last haunted house before we go home, because it's... No! No, I can't play this game. I need to go home. I'm over it. Aww. We're gonna go on one last haunted house before we go home, so let's see if we can make it.
Once again, please stand clear.
Alright guys, so we are on the tram. It's time to go back home. Gang, gang, gang. Squad, squad, squad.
Welcome aboard the Busch Gardens.
We tired. We tired.
Please remain
Vijay's sleep. Shugsy's over it. Like,
Please secure any loose articles.
it was fun though, no lie. Today was awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you did, be sure to give it a like. comment their favorite part. Please don't let it be the part of me running away from all these scared, like, I'm so scared. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Peace.
Welcome back aboard the Busch Gardens cruise.